right, quick intro, go.
Hey, I'm Martin. I'm from Blue Point Scan. We're scanning this Miata today. We're going to do a diffuser scan on it, figure out where the exhaust goes.
Yeah, so I hit up Martin because it's a little bit challenging to produce something out of my ass on this diffuser setup slash exhaust because of where it's placed. So I think scanning it will be a lot easier, and then we can use CAD, SolidWorks, or whatever it is, right, to just draw it up.
Yeah.
Way simpler.
Yeah, SolidWorks, we use CATIA, but they're both the good program to use.
Yeah. So if people wanted to hire you, do you freelance?
Totally freelance. We'll scan just about anything you want.
Yeah. So you have an Instagram handle?
I do. It's wait, what is it?
You don't know your Instagram handle?
Yeah. No, it's Blue Point Scan. BLUPOINTSCAN. Put these little stickers on lightly. They'll come right back off. And if I got it, I'll try and scan this without dusting it.
Yeah.
If I have to,
right.
Leave the dust on for about 20 minutes to an hour, maybe, depending on the heat, and it'll just evaporate.
Really?
It just goes away. You won't have any residual.
All right, just hit it with air.
You don't even have to do that.
Really?
It'll just evaporate.
That's awesome.
It's pretty cool stuff. It's expensive as hell, but it's worth it, especially on a product like this.
How much are those stickers?
These stickers from GOM, the company that makes these scanners, are crazy expensive. They're like, I don't know, $300 for a small booklet.
Wow. And those are reflective?
No, these aren't.
Those aren't reflective.
No. So I end up getting these made at a blueprint shop. I found this blueprint shop down in Dana Point that makes these for me.
Wow.
And they're a fraction of the cost.
Way cheaper?
Yes. Yeah.
That's cool. So this is what we're working with right now. The exhaust port is right in the middle of the diffuser, and we basically need to get the reference point to start doing the CAD work, because exhaust needs to come out of there, and then in here, look way back there, that's where it needs to come out. So when you're using this blue light, it's okay for outdoor use? It won't get washed out?
Not completely outdoor. That's why I gotta. Hopefully I can do this, but I might have to lower the garage door down a little bit.
Yeah, we could do that. That's cool.
Bam. Good. It's
Better.
It's gonna get what I want, which is what I'm shooting for. It's already starting to evaporate because it's warm.
I see.
Okay, I'm gonna go this way so I don't.
Oh, good. Oh, good. That's cool. So this stuff dissipates.
Yeah.
How trippy.
So what I'm trying to do right now is this is kind of my establishment scan where I'm getting all of the components in an assembled position. That way, when we break things apart, I can reassemble it into the same position.
Now the exhaust is gonna be super cool. I think we're gonna 3D print it, or maybe just machine it out of 6061 on a CNC with like a 5-axis or something. We'll see how that's gonna turn out, but I'm pretty excited. The diffuser is currently off. Let's go to the back right now. Car's looking pretty sick though. Check this out. Diffuser-less! I know some of you guys hate the diffuser, but I love it. Now you can see all the guts back here. Look at that. So cool. You rarely get to see what's under this car, but there it is. Diffuser's off, and hopefully we can put that thing back on with the new exhaust shroud. The idea is to get the measurements here so we could make the center exit exhaust and plumb it straight through the cannon brace right here in the middle. And we'll know in about a week or so. And I'll be going through several types of designs, and I already have an idea of what I want, and I think I've shown it to my IG guys, but I don't want to ruin it for the YouTubers here. And you know, you'll see it soon enough. Peace.